Hey guys, I'm here on the Disney Fantasy. I'm about to give you a room tour of our room 2011. Boop. We got the magic band. Room tour. So the first thing we have, AC. It looks like it was already all the way up. We have our important information list. Occupied room. Got to put a room key in here to have the lights on. This is the bathroom. We have the closets. In the closets we have some hangers, laundry service, safe, a little bit of storage, and of course the life jackets. In here, more hangers, life jackets, ladder if we were using the bunk, which we are not. I'll show you the bathroom here. This is not the split bathroom. This is just the standard bathroom. Has all the nice amenities, all the good stuff. That's a magnifying mirror there. Very well appointed and spacious bathroom. And in the shower, all the good H2O Disney stuff. Love it, love it, love it. Can't wait to use it. So we got, because we were on the Halloween of the High Seas cruise, we got the celebration blanket, and it came with a bag and a pillow and this cool banner, and it also all came in this little bag. We've got some cups, we got our Castaway return gift, and we got the 25th anniversary lanyards. We have our mirror vanity. Hey! So here's what we've got as far as plugs. Not a whole lot going on. There is nothing on this side, and there's only those on that side. We do have the magic porthole.
I guess I should have taken it. Wait a minute.
And in here we have our mini fridge, chair, fun stuff in there. And we got, oh, there's the hairdryer, empty drawer, trash can, and a Zach. Sorry, your room doesn't come with a Zach. I know, it's a sad thing. So there it is, that's the room tour. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you.